part 2 ng lecture 4 para sa course na Engineering Economics. Discuss natin dito yung simple interest. Na-discuss natin last time, in-introduce natin kung ano yung time value of money. Kapag-discuss din tayo tungkol sa interest, kung ano yung cash flow diagram. Makagawa rin tayo ng isang sample problem tungkol sa cash flow diagram. So, discuss natin ngayon ay yung simulan natin sa simple interest. Medyo maraming computation dito pero i-assure ko na madali lang naman tong mga to. So, when the total interest earned or charged is linearly proportional to the initial amount of the loan or principal, the interest rate and number of interest periods for which the principal is committed, the interest and interest rates are said to be simple. So, linear lang yung relationship sa principal, yung interest rate, tsaka yung number of periods. So, madali lang na computation to. The simple interest is calculated using the principal only, ignoring any interest that had been accrued in preceding periods. So, simple interest nga. So, iti-take lang natin yung principal or yung pinakaunang pinahiram or hiniram. Tapos, linear nga lang yung relationship niya dun sa interest rate at saka kung gaano katagal or ilang period yung nagdaan para dun sa paghihiram or pagpapahiram nung capital or nung tinatawag nating principal. So, formula natin dito, sasabi nga sa inyo, simple lang. No? Yung interest natin is equal to principal multiplied dun sa number of periods and then yung I, yung interest per period. And then yung F is yung accumulated amount or yung future worth. So, future worth, isabihin yun yung dapat bayaran or dapat na ibayad sa'yo dahil dun sa pagpapahiram nung principal amount or nung present worth na tinatawag. So, yung future worth or yung accumulated amount, equal yun sa P plus I or yung principal, dadagdag lang sa interest. So, simpleng concept lang naman, no? So, nang hiram ka, so magbabayad ka ng interest dahil hiniram mo yung pera. So, F is equal to P plus P and I. Sinubstitute lang yung P and I dun sa I. And then, F is equal to P multiply sa 1 plus NI. Next, ordinary simple interest. Interest is computed based on one banker's year. So, meron tayong ordinary, meron din tayong exact simple interest. Yung ordinary simple interest, kino-consider natin na 1 month is equal to 30 days. Tapos, 360 days per year. So, di-discuss natin dito, kailangan nating malaman yung ordinary simple interest dahil may mga problem tayo na hindi saktong isang taon nagtatagal yung pagbabayad dun sa interest na nag-accrued. At yung isa yung exact simple interest, interest that is based on the exact number of days of the year, where there are 365 days for an ordinary year and 366 days for leap years. So yung leap year, kung familiar tayo doon kung kailan nangyayari yung leap year, so every 4 years. Pero hindi doon sa tinatawag na century marks. Sa 1800, 1900, 1700, pero leap year kapag yung year mo exactly divisible by 400. Kung naalala nyo pa sa science, nung elementary, 365 and a quarter day. So, naitatama niya every 4 years. Kaya lang yung quarter day na yon hindi siya talaga quarter. May something na sobra pa yon. So, kinokorek siya, sumasobra ka. So, hindi kinoconsider yung sa 100 mark. Kaya lang yung pagbawas na yon sa every 100 years, nagkukulang ka naman every 400 years. So, dinadagdagan ulit ng isang araw, yung tinatawag na leap day. So, kapag leap year, 366. Kapag yung ordinary year, 365 days para dun sa exact simple interest. So, may mga problems tayo tungkol dyan. So, sample problem, determine the ordinary simple interest in 700 pesos for 8 months and 15 days if the rate of interest is 15%. So, required natin dito yung ordinary simple interest. So, therefore, ordinary simple interest, i-consider natin na 360 days yung isang year or isang banker year. So, interest yung hinahanap. So, I is equal to P times N times I. Yung P, yung principal, ay 700 pesos. N, ibig sabihin yung number of periods yun, So, number of periods at yung 15% na rate of interest is annual. Kapag hindi sinabi kung ano yung rate of interest, kung kailan siya nagte-take effect. So, i-assume natin na annual yun, So, annual rate of interest. So, lagay natin na N is equal to 8 months and 15 days over 360. Ibig sabihin nun, fraction lang nung 360 days yung nagdaan dahil nga 8 months and 15 days. So, sinabing ordinary simple interest, so therefore 30 days per month. Therefore, yung N is equal to 8 times 30 plus 15 para dun sa total number of days over 360. So, therefore, N is equal to 255 over 360. And then yung I given na 15%. And then substitute na dun sa equation, I is equal to, or yung interest, 700 times 255 over 360 multiplies sa 15%. So yung 15% pwedeng 0.15 pag in-input sa calcu or pwedeng 15% din. So I is approximately 74.38 pesos or equal to 74.38 pesos. Next sample problem. Determine the exact simple interest on 500 pesos for the period from January 10 to October 28, 1996 at 16%. So exact naman na problem to, na exact simple interest yung kailangan nating malaman. So therefore, kapag exact simple interest, 365 days kapag ordinary year and then 366 kapag leap year. So yung 1996, dumaan yung February dahil sa February natin dinadagdag yung leap day. So 1996, check natin kung leap year divisible by 4. So therefore, leap year yon. So may plus 1 tayo dun sa February. So table natin for the month of January, 10 to 31. Meron tayong 21 days. Hindi natin isasama yung 10th ng January kasi yun yung start ng period mo, yung start ng pagbibilang ng number of days. So 21 days for January, 10 to 31, February, 29 days, March 31, April 30, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, August 31 days, September 30 days, and October yung 28 days. Therefore, total number of days is 292 over 366. And then I is equal to 16%. Substitute ulit dun sa equation. So 500 multiply sa 292 over 366 multiply sa 16%. Therefore, yung interest or exact simple interest is equal to 63.83 pesos. So madali lang naman, di ba? So simpleng kukunin lang natin number of days, ano yung interest, ano yung principal. So makukuha na natin kung ano yung interest dun sa sample problems natin. So madali pa, no? Kasi nga simple lang. So apply naman natin, kunin natin yung future worth dito sa next sample problem. So what will be the future worth of money after 14 months? If a sum of 10,000 pesos is invested today at a simple interest rate of 12% per year. So required yung future worth F. So yung future worth F equal yun sa principal plus yung interest. So F is equal to P plus PNI. And then F is equal to P multiply sa 1 plus NI. And then yung P equal yun sa 10,000. And then yung N equal yun sa 14 months. So hindi sinabi dito kung ordinary or exact. So therefore, lalagay natin na 30 days per month. So i-assume natin kapag hindi sinabing ordinary or exact, lalagay natin siya as ordinary simple interest. So 14 months, meron tayong 30 days per month and then over 360. So therefore, 14 multiplies sa 30. So equal yan sa 420 over 360. And then yung P is equal to 10,000. I is equal to 12%. So lagay natin sa equation, F is equal to P which is 10,000. Then 1 plus yung N, 420 over 360 multiplies sa 12% or 0.12. So F is equal to 11,400 pesos. So dun muna tayo para sa simple interest. So next na i-discuss natin ay yung compound interest. So medyo komplikado dun. Pero kayang-kaya dahil madali lang naman din yun. No?